I'm Chloe. I'm a content creator and digital business manager, and today I want to talk to you about 6 ways to increase your online income without working more hours. Raise your rates with existing clients. You should always evaluate your work every 6 to 12 months and review what extra things you have been doing and look at raising your rates. This works the same as if you were working for a corporate company, so don't think you are being cheeky by raising your rates. It's a good thing you have an annual pay rise, and your client should know this anyway. During that time, you have more than likely upskilled, and you are providing a great service and value to your clients, and of course you should raise your rates. For example, if you're currently charging £15 per hour for content creation, 6 months down the line you should have the skills to notify your client that you'll be raising your rate to £20 per hour. New clients that come in around this time should be starting at that raised rate. With your experience, your work is now worth more. If you have learned new skills that can be added to your resume, make sure to raise your rate for that as well. Move clients onto flat rate packages. As time goes by and your skills increase, you're able to work faster. What once took you 20 hours may only take you 10 now. But guess what? If your clients are paying by the hour, that's 10 hours of work you just lost out on. Imagine you're starting off with YouTube management. It may take you a couple of hours to edit an episode today, but next month it might only take you 1. But you are still doing the same work you were doing before. In this case, you can charge your clients a package for X number of videos per month, or put together a social media or graphic package to go with that, so you're charging the work you do, not the hours you work. That is why it's so important to offer flat rate packages. You'll eventually reach a level of skill where you'll be performing better and faster, and you don't want to lose money when you get there. Upskill and target higher end business owners. Unfortunately, new or small businesses typically don't have the budget to pay you higher rates. When you're just starting out, it's more than okay to work for lower rates as you learn more skills. But you'll eventually get to the point where working with smaller businesses isn't going to cut it. This is why going after established or high-end businesses is a must. But how does one do this? Make sure what you offer is suitable for high-end clients. You can do this by taking more courses in your niche, or through experience working or interning for someone who is where you want to be. There are many courses out there now that teach you step by step a new skill. Maybe learn a specific program that allows you to produce higher tier end products, whether that's graphic design, video production, or web design. Offer skills that generate clear ROI. People love clear results. That's why it can be really helpful to learn skills that show a direct ROI. These make it crystal clear to the client exactly how valuable you are. Marketing is a great way to show your clients a clear ROI. Maybe you're helping them build a digital product or rebrand their website to get more investors. Either way, your work makes the numbers move directly. Or say you're working on Facebook ads for a client's business. Because of how income generation in the ads space works, they'll be able to see the direct correlation of your work to money made, and how much they're gaining from investing in you. These are tangible ways that a client can see how important you are to their business, and make it a no-brainer to have you on their team. Add examples to your portfolio so clients can see the proof in the pudding, as they might say. Start an agency and outsource to subcontractors. Trust me, there will be a time in which you'll have many jobs offers that you'll know what to do with. So you need to know what to do when you are fully booked and don't have time to take on more clients. Instead of saying no or adding them to a wait list, say yes to everything and outsource the work. It may seem overwhelming, but trust me, once you have outsourced once, you will want to do it more and more often, even free up your own time. This step is usually for VAs who've had more time and experience with their niches. But it's good to start thinking about it as an option at whatever level you're at. You can start an agency and hire some contractors that can work for you. A great way to do this is by offering internships or entry-level positions where you mentor your subcontractors. Usually try people out, have a look at their experience, and most importantly, see if you work well together. Your agency gets paid by clients, and you pay your subcontractor a share. Of course, you'll have to provide guidance and management, as well as proving the end product and check for quality. But at the end of the day, you'll be making a percentage of the project pay without having to spend the time doing it from start to finish. Set up multiple income streams. I'm sure you've heard the term passive income, which is income that takes little to no effort to earn and maintain. Whether you're fully booked or just want to make some extra money on the side, setting up multiple income streams is a great way to have a recurring income with little effort. Here's some ways you can earn a passive income online. Writing helpful ebooks and advertising them on your website. Creating online courses based on your areas of expertise. Designing templates for websites, resumes, or social media graphics. Monetize a blog. Affiliate marketing. There are so many other ways to increase your online income without having to work more hours. Remember your worth and effort you are putting in for each client. You should be paid accordingly. Every little bit you learn is just another stepping stone to your income goal. Introducing 90-Day VA. If you're new to the online world and would like to learn more about becoming a virtual assistant, check out this free masterclass for more information. 90-Day VA will be opening for enrolment soon, so why not take the first step? You could become one of our many students who are out there owning agencies and consulting for businesses. I will leave the link in my bio. And I have other resources too that will help you grow your existing business or start another business. If you like and subscribe to my channel, I will be sharing with you other passive income ideas and how to grow your skills online. I look forward to speaking with you. Bye for now.